Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be replacing another interior piece. Now the reason I'm doing this is specifically because this is a manual car and it's something that's going to make the car look a lot more tidy than the one that's already on there. Now many of you are going to think I'm absolutely OCD because I'm replacing everything inside the car that's been touched, but that's just simply not the case. In fact, I'm just trying to tidy this car up and make it look more presentable inside and obviously outside. So let's get onto the video. I'm going to show you what I'm going to be replacing, and this is a very, very easy thing that many of you can actually do at home yourself. Okay guys, so we're in the BMW E63. Now the part I'm going to be replacing is this right here, which is the gear shifter. Now if you can see, this one is all worn, battered and torn, so I am going to be replacing it. It's all faded again from people touching it with hands that they've eaten and things in their mouth or anything like that, and that's one of the reasons why I'm replacing it. I'll show you the gear knob when we actually remove it, but it's very, very badly faded. And again, this should have been changed. It's just people just do not think about these things like I do. So what we're going to go ahead and do is you're just going to want to pull it in second, and you're just going to want to pull up on it until it actually pops off. Now this one can be a bit stiff, and just like that, that one comes off. And if you can see, look how badly faded this one is. It ain't very nice to touch at all. It's faded all round the top, all round the bottom, and it just doesn't look pleasant. Now I have got another one right here, which I did buy from Amazon. Now this is a copy one of the BMW one. Now I was going to buy the original BMW one, which is around £150, but then I found this copy one, and I saw videos on YouTube of other people doing it, and I thought, you know what? It actually just looks like the genuine one. So why spend 150 on a gear knob when you can buy this £20 one? We'll see how we get on with this one. If this one starts fading and deteriorating, I will buy the original BMW one, but we'll see how long this lasts on the car. And if it actually lasts long enough, then I won't see no point in actually changing it. But I want to give this a try and see how it comes out. So what we'll do is we'll just put this on the car. Just pull it on like this. So if you can see there, that's the gear shifter on. Now it does make it look a lot more appealing than this long gear stick. This one looks a lot more tidier, a lot more pleasant, and it actually looks more sportier than this long one. Now obviously we'll just take off that plastic off it, and obviously it looks good and feels good. It's stuck on very well as well, as you can see, stuck on with no problem. Obviously I'm not too sure on the gear shifts here. They do look a bit to the right side, they don't very look straight, but that was one thing I did read on the reviews, and obviously on YouTube when I've seen videos of it, people are saying that the numbers look a bit towards the right side. They don't look parallel with the car, but obviously you're going to expect that from a copy. Well, like I said, we'll see how this gets on. If this starts wearing down, I will just buy an original BMW one, but it looks really, really good on the car. Obviously this gear gaiter needs to be changed as well to make it look even better, but that's something we'll do later on. But this gear knob really, really does look good on the car. Okay guys, so as you've seen, I've now fitted the gear shifter on this BMW E63, and it's really, really tied up this car. Now I know it ain't the original one, which is about £150 from BMW, and obviously I was aware of the issue with the numbers looking more towards the right than straight ahead. Even before I actually purchased it, it also said it on the reviews on Amazon, and I also saw it on YouTube videos of other people purchasing it. But above all, you can't really knock it for £20 compared to £150. As I said, if it does start wearing down, if I do start getting marks on it or it starts fading on the top, then I will just replace it for the original BMW one, because I really don't want to go through that. But we'll see how long this one actually outlasts. Obviously it's only a gear knob, very easy to take off. It's not like I'm using it as a car part. It's not going to affect the car in any way. But if it does start wearing down, then I'll just buy an original one from BMW. But as I said, if you guys do want this for any of your manual cars, I will link this in the description below, where I got it from on Amazon. You can also buy them on eBay, but I will link it in my description so you guys can go and check it out. You guys saw how faded and worn this one was, so I just need to get this off because this does not look appealing at all. You can see there, everything had worn where everyone's been touching it, and I just don't like how long it is either. It just shouldn't be on the car. So thank you very much for watching, guys. It is BMW Dr. Dean here, and I hope this video helped you change your gear shifter on your BMW. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.